So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrak Luna here for another toy unboxing and toy review. So guys, nakita niyo naman guys, lumabas na ang Street Fighter 2 Akuma by Jada Toy. So ito siya guys, napakaangas, napakaganda. So clear window box in an arcade box design ang meron sila. And for the side, yan, other Street Fighter characters, nakikita nyo, and some origin information of Akuma. Ayan, napakaganda. Okay, and sa back makikita mo the typical arcade selection by arcade selection ng Street Fighter 2 si Akuma. So ayan, so in the clear window view na makikita nyo guys, may one pair alternate open palm hand na si Goku o si Akuma. Goki or Akuma ang tawag sa kanya. US base is Goki and Japanese is Akuma. Then may beads, then alternate alt head, makikita yung angry face niya. Then nandito din ang kanyang effects na nakalimutan ko ang tawag. Okay, Goku something. Ayun, yung Go Hadouken niya guys. Ayan. So tara, unbox na natin to guys. Akuma, tear the box apart.
This plastic prison cannot hold me.
So ayan guys, lumabas na si Goki or Akuma. So ayan, Akuma in English, let me rephrase it again, and Goki in Japan. So pakita ko muna ang accessories included. It comes with the alternate head. Ayan, napakaangas. Overall, good details from the head sculpt, kuwang-kuwa from the Street Fighter 2 edition. Look at the demon eyes. Yan. And the hairstyle, sulit, maganda, red hair, raging hair ang itsura niya. Napakaganda guys. Then it comes with the open palm or striking hand na, ayan, may konting dumi, alternate hand. Yan, makikita nyo. So all of them are made on PVC plastic ABS. Yan. Of course, one part of the accessories is the Go Hadouken with the stand and base. Yan. Sulit, translucent. Ganda ng effects niya. And then the beads. The beads guys, linagay ko na kay Akuma. Ayan. Makikita na napakaangas. So guys, every movement on his head gagalaw ang bead. So magiging annoying in some point siya guys. So it has at least a 20 to 25 points of articulation. Napakaganda guys, napakasulit. Ayan. See, articulation wise, can do 360 degrees, and yung bead sumasama. Detail wise, napakaganda based on the Street Fighter 2 arcade edition from the clothes. Yan. The default health sculpt, napakaangas guys, kung makikita nyo yan. Sulit na sulit, ganda. Beads itself, napakasimple lang. Hindi siya matte finish. Napakasimple lang. And most likely guys, yung logo ng Gi, yung coloring, most likely pwedeng mag-fade. So ayan guys, kung i-focus natin. Then may bicep swivel siya. Pangas. Sulit. Double jointed elbows. And may tight swivel siya. Napaka-tight pa niya, guys. Ano? Oh. Double jointed knee for better articulation and posing for bending the knees and kneeling pose. Yan, sulit. Napaka-tight. And ankle rotation. Meron din siya. Bendable toes. Ayan, makikita nyo guys. Can do a perfect split. In fairness. Ano? Oh. And may hip swivel na rin siya. Then upper torso swivel din, but it limits the articulation dun sa upper torso because of his clothing. Ayan. So overall for me, for this one, ang annoying lang talaga is the beads. Overall, this is a 10 out of 10 for this Jada Akuma Street Fighter 2 version. Alright. So, yun lang guys. Check out yung another video. Magdadagdag tayo ng mga poses ni Akuma. So, this is Sumo Rock Luna. Thank you for watching for a quick unboxing and toy review of our Jada Street Fighter 2 Akuma, or also known as Goki. Sumo Rock Luna out. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.
Insignificant obstacles. Mesatsu!